Introducing the Scudo Brushed Bronze Pop-Up Waist and Overflow, the ultimate solution for a luxurious and hassle-free bathing experience. Say goodbye to those dull plug and chain setups and embrace the elegance of our beautifully crafted brushed bronze overflow cover and pop-up bath waist. With its slotted waist design and easy-to-use threaded nut fitting, installation has never been more straightforward. And with a generous 550mm overflow hose, you can bid farewell to any worries about water overflow. Complete your bathroom's transformation with our range of matching taps and accessories, all available in the same stunning brushed bronze finish. Create a cohesive, stylish look that will leave your guests in awe. Upgrade your bathing routine with the Scudo Brushed Bronze Pop-Up Waist and Overflow, because who says practicality can't be glamorous? Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Bath Waist range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.